So don't keep your head
there we have our saddleback mix, which you may go out and see there. And we have a little bit of figures who are just a few days old. You'll like to spot them, I hope you will. The two large birds that you see right next to the fence are Rhea. Rhea are a South American flightless bird related to our little youngster who is called Sheldon. He's hiding from us at the moment. We're hoping we'll see him as he in the field. Well, the lab on over there with a fight egg is Joe. He's our male. And the other female, she is called Angela. A female llama is called Ibra, a male is a macho, and the young are Rhea. And you can just see our male Rhea lying down there next to the fence. There are two in here, they are brothers, and they're called Wilbur and Bob.
Look, there is They would bite your finger off. They would love to bite your finger off.
And the Mangalitza is a Hungarian breed.
So guys,
hand hygiene is very important. Please remember to wash your hands regularly and quickly. You can find all 7 times use common syringe. Try some lovely tubes or just make a start by flashing lights and then see if you can find your way out.
Archie, they look like hawkeyes.
Here's like our last bait, and this time we have some more of our next. We have 2 of our older saddleback piglets.
Oh my neck! I want my tail back and forth, with my tail back and forth, my tail back and forth.
These are Kiddy and Kiddy is how they need we don't like to say too loud, and we don't want to hear us.
Guys, we're coming off the Highland Cruise. Face the camera up this way, guys. This way, not this way, that way. This way, this way.
So on the right hand side we have our 3 youngsters, as made of that.
Camera straight. And now there's
on the left we have our 2 brothers, so the right post us.
Hi guys, and now
I can tell the position of Annie is younger and has 4
Big Ginger Boy. And now guys, this is the end of the journey from
who we think he is going to grow up to be a very successful racehorse like his dad and brother.
This is
The
the end of the
over
journey.
by the stable there is the Irish Sporthouse and the stable
Bye! Like a awesome! Subscribe!
And don't forget to make sure
Leave the video this time! Hi guys, surely we're mistaken. We saw a pony
We're passing into the journey now, so just to remind everyone
guys,
that
and Harry&Archie, guys.
If you have any questions about please ask myself or
And then there's those cages with bunnies, rabbits, everything you want when they're very so cute. Be delicate, it's cool. Bye! Also down here, we have the kids down here.
and the rest of the day and the park.